Hey guys, it's Maggie from Maggie Tutorials. Today I'm on here to share my hair care routine using these products from my sponsor, Raw Sugar Living. These rules are not specific to this brand, however, these are great products to be able to take care of your hair at home, especially if it is color treated and or dry with breakage. My basic rules for this hair type are: don't overwash your hair. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough, if not too much. Protect your hair from the sun and heat, whether it be natural or artificial. Lastly, use the correct products with ingredients that actually help your hair. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Please excuse my roots as my hair will be getting touched up next week. I know they're bad. The best way to keep your color bright and show your hair your love is by washing it less frequently. I'm not saying to skip showers, but the more your hair is under hot water, the more your color will fade, and the drier your hair will be. Make sure on your wash days you are using a sulfate-free, color-safe shampoo to not further strip the color from your hair. Raw Sugar Pro Remedy line includes sulfate-free, vegan, cruelty-free shampoo and conditioner made to reconstruct, cleanse, protect, and hydrate the hair. When I wash my hair, I make sure I get enough product to wash my roots only, and I massage it into my scalp until I feel like my scalp has been scrubbed all over. No, we do not wash the ends. Once rinsing, enough shampoo will go over the ends to clean off any dirt and product residue left on the hair fiber. Condition from mids to ends. Massage and comb through hair with your fingers or a wide tooth comb. This will help each strand get coated with the conditioner, which will hydrate and protect the hair throughout the day. Leave on for a few minutes and rinse. Once your hair is towel dried, you want to use a heat protector, especially if you plan on blow drying and heat styling. I use the Pro Remedy Primer Mist to detangle and protect my hair from high heats. However, I'm still cautious and I make sure I use low heat settings when heat styling and use sparingly. You should too. Remember my first rule: wash less, dry shampoo more. Adding dry shampoo to your routine will help so much. Applying to roots can give you volume and soak up any excess oils, leaving you feeling fresh and smelling great. Here I'm using Pro Remedy Protective Dry Shampoo, massaging it into my roots. Say goodbye to excessive washing. Since it is summer and we are spending extra time in the sun and in the water, I recommend using a leave-in treatment on your ends just before jumping into the pool. A good one is this leave-in bond treatment that strengthens, repairs, and seals split ends. And those are some of the ways I have the hair I want while keeping it healthy and happy using Raw Sugar Living Pro Remedy products exclusive to Sally Beauty. Plus, for every product sold, Raw Sugar donates 1 bar of soap for families in need, up to 5 million bars yearly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.